You don't have to be in politics to know that those aren't good odds. But ultimately felt like our state deserved somebody that believed in it and would fight for it. I wanted the unseen to be seen. I wanted to close the gap between the have and have-nots. I wanted the voiceless to have a voice and to have a seat at the table. There have been a number of things that I have had an opportunity to work on here in the United States Senate that have lent itself to advancing the goals that I had in that space. And this is obviously at the top of that list. I am really grateful to Senator Alsobrooks for her leadership and her partnership on this. I am really hopeful that the example of our partnership will be one that will not just move the needle here in the United States Senate, but will be an example for people across the country. You don't have to agree with everyone on every issue to show respect and to find common ground and to advance good things for the people that you serve. You all are in the fight every day. You are ensuring our most vulnerable population has a chance, that American dream that so many of us want is more achievable because of your work day in and day out. And so I stand here today to say thank you. I also stand here today to say we need your help. As we work to move policies like this through both the United States Senate and Congress and down at the state level, the continued elevation of your voice is critical to that. We know that when our youth are experiencing homelessness, and there are, I think, over 4 million youth in our nation that are, that many times that homelessness is not defined in the same way by different agencies. And when that occurs, it creates an impediment to getting people the assistance and the care that they need to have an opportunity to thrive. I am proud that our bill tackles that head on. We believe that dynamic homelessness needs to be included within HUD's definition. We want to know that we want people to know that homelessness is not just what they think of sleeping on the street or under a bridge. It can be that of moving from couch to couch, from place to place, not knowing exactly where you're gonna lay your head down at night. And so to the extent that we can streamline this, and to the extent that we can have cohesion here, we know that there are children out there that will have a better opportunity and a better chance and a better pathway to success and to flourishing as a result. So Senator Alsobrooks and I are going to be shoulder to shoulder. We're going to be working to get this into any piece of legislation that's moving. We've already been working on that. We think that this is common sense. We think that this is the right kind of policy that we need to be pushing at the right time. And so I just wanted to say today, I wanted to come by and just say thank you. Thank you for what you're doing on the ground. Thank you for what you're doing each and every day. And thank you for helping us elevate this issue in a way that will truly transform lives, give people a chance, and in a lot of circumstances, give them the hope that's needed to be successful and to thrive. So thank you all so much, and it's an honor to be